How to delete messages on LinkedIn. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you, is it really possible to delete messages on LinkedIn or not? First of all, you will need to open your web browser on your device and at the search bar type linkedin.com. Now press enter to browse it. You will reach to the official website of LinkedIn. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this homepage. Here you will need to click on the messaging icon at the top right of the LinkedIn homepage to go to your messages. Once you reach here, locate the conversation or the message you want to delete. You can do this by scrolling through your messages or using the search bar to find the specific message. Now once you find the conversation or the message you would like to delete, hover over the message you want to delete and at the right side you will find 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options. From here you will find delete button, but as you can see the delete button is not available here because LinkedIn designed their messaging system this way to maintain a record of communications between users and to ensure transparency in professional interactions. If you have sent a message on LinkedIn and want to delete it, your only option is to ask that recipient to delete it from their end, because once the message is sent on LinkedIn, it remains in the recipient's inbox unless they choose to delete it themselves. But you will be able to delete the entire conversation permanently on your side only. For that, from the message list, find the conversation you want to delete. Once you hover the cursor over the conversation, there you will find 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots next to the person's name and then there you will find delete conversation. Choose this option and LinkedIn will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the message or conversation. It says the conversation will be deleted permanently and you won't be able to send another message to that receiver until they respond to your email. Now if you are sure to do that, click on this delete button right here and after some time you will see it has been deleted. Also you may need to refresh the page to see the changes that take effect. So by following these steps, you can delete messages or conversations on LinkedIn to manage your inbox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.